Thank you for purchasing VEVE. For your convenience, this is your digital user guide. I'll explain how this hair regrowth system works, its different parts, and how it's used. VEVE is a revolutionary home use device designed to deal with baldness, thinning hair, and hair loss in both men and women. VEVE has three parts: the base, the applicator, and the replaceable cartridge. Your purchase also includes a user manual and a USB cable. Some VEVE models also contain a humidifier. The base charges the device through a USB cable. It is powered by a computer or an electricity socket. The base is also used to select the required treatment program. When the applicator is placed in the base, the touch buttons light up for you to select one of the three treatment programs. Program 1 for beginners. The treatment lasts 3 minutes and the sensitivity level is low to allow you to get used to the VEVE sensation. Continue using Program 1 until you get used to the prickling sensation in the scalp and you have learned how to use VEVE properly, with the help of the warning sounds. Program 2, a 5-minute program for users with short or thin hair. Program 3, an 8-minute program for users with long hair. The replaceable cartridge fits into the applicator. Simply push the cartridge into the applicator until you hear a click sound. To remove the cartridge from the applicator, use just enough force to pull it out. There are several different types of replaceable cartridges. The most popular types are the 8-disc cartridge, recommended for users with short or thin hair, the 4-disc cartridge, recommended for users with long and thick hair. Starting and stopping. To start, press the button on the applicator. Wait a second or two until you feel the vibration. You will hear the startup tune and the red laser will light up. At the end of the timed treatment, the device turns off automatically. You can also turn off VEVE manually by pressing and holding the start button until the vibration stops and you hear the shutdown tune. Or simply place the applicator in the base when it is connected to a power source. Operating instructions for users with short or thin hair. Start VEVE and place the discs on the scalp. Make sure that the discs are in full contact with the scalp. Move the applicator back and forth, rolling the discs forward and backward. It is very important to focus on a 4x4 inch area and crisscross it in multiple directions for a number of seconds before moving on to the next area. Be careful not to scratch your scalp with the discs. They should always roll back and forth. Operating instructions for users with long hair. VEVE is used slightly differently with long hair. Create a parting in the hair and roll the applicator on its discs along the parting line. To avoid hair wrapping around the discs, roll the applicator back and forth in short movements, no more than 2 inches long. After treating the parting in one direction, roll VEVE in a perpendicular direction to the parting line in short movements. After completing treatment on a parting, create a new parting. Treat it and continue creating partings until the entire area has been treated. To ensure effective treatment, VEVE has a sophisticated monitoring system. A warning sound will be heard when the treatment is applied incorrectly. When the warning sounds, stop rolling and improve your grip in a way that ensures better contact between the discs and the scalp. If the warning sound continues, gently increase pressure and improve contact between the discs and the scalp until the warning stops. After the warning sound has stopped, continue rolling and ensuring proper contact between the cartridge and the scalp. If the warning does not stop, your scalp might be too dry for VEVE to work properly. If this happens, use the humidifier. Fill it with clean water and dampen your scalp or partings. Be careful not to wet your hair. If the warning continues, contact us. We will be glad to assist. Do not use VEVE when your hair is wet. However, to ensure effective treatment, you can use VEVE after you have washed your hair and your hair is completely dry. After completing the treatment, it is normal for the skin to be slightly pink. It indicates there is improved blood flow to the hair roots. VEVE provides 3 different color indications. When the applicator is in the base, green indicates it is fully charged, orange that it is charging, and red indicates a fault. The base also has a warning light, indicating that the replaceable cartridge has reached 80% of its working life and must be replaced soon. To ensure effective treatment, we recommend ordering a new cartridge from the VEVE website. When the replaceable cartridge has been used up, the indicator light stays on and VEVE cannot be used. VEVE performs a number of tasks simultaneously to ensure that maximum hair regrowth is achieved as rapidly as possible. However, please remember that hair rehabilitation processes are slow. The key to successful hair growth is in your hands. Use your VEVE regularly, as explained here, and you'll achieve excellent results. Hair loss will stop, growing hair will be stronger and thicker, and new hair will appear. Thank you again for purchasing VEVE.